6 temporary accommodation centers have been opened in the city of Batken for evacuated population with a capacity of up to 600 people. 1,470 local residents were evacuated, of which 1,200 were placed with friends and relatives. Part of the population was evacuated to the villages of Margun, Ravat, and the city of Batken. 270 people are placed in temporary accommodation centers, of which 104 are women, 19 men, and 147 children. The evacuees are equipped with all essentials. Medical workers conduct constant monitoring at temporary accommodation points. Batken Regional Hospital also operates around the clock and has all necessary specialists and medicines. Strategic facilities in Batken region are equipped with autonomous power supplies. The warehouses of the Ministry of Emergency Situation of the Batken region have the necessary volume of bedding sets, food and drinking water. The Ministry of Emergency Situation works very closely with local governments, public order and the population. Significant assistance is provided by the international organization Red Crescent, which allocated 450 liters of diesel fuel. We note the high civil activity of the population in the evacuation. The Ministry of Emergency Situation has all the necessary forces and means to protect the life and health of the population. To remind, the multi-channel single round-the-clock telephone number of the Ministry of Emergency Situations, including for the Batken region, 112.